In this video, I've taken two questions, exercise 3, question number 12 and question number 13. These two questions are based on C and D, and we'll also be applying sin 2a, which is 2 sin a dot cos a. Now let's begin with the first question here. So we have the LHS. LHS is equal to, this is sin square 6x, the first part is minus sin square 4x. Now, first I'm going to apply this algebraic identity, which is a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now, if I apply this over here, what we are going to get is sin a, which is 6x, plus b, so a plus b, and then a minus b. This is a minus b. Now, after that, as I said, we are going to apply the C and D identity. For the first part, as we can see here, that we'll be applying sin C plus D. So sin C plus D is what? It is 2 times sin A plus C plus D by 2. So that is 6x plus 4x by 2. So 6x plus 4x is 10x by 2, which is 5x, into cos C minus D by 2. So 6x minus 4x is 2x, and 2x over 2 is x. Now, from on this part, we are going to apply sin C minus D. That is sin C minus D. It is 2 cos C plus D by 2. That is 6x plus 4x, 10x by 2, which is 5x. That multiplied by sin C minus D. So 6x minus 4x is 2x. 2x by 2 is x. Now, when we see the RHS, we need sin 2x and sin 10x. As I told you that we are going to apply this identity, that is 2 sin a cos a over here. So how can we get sin 10x? As I can see, this is sin 2 sin 5a into cos 5a. Now check here. If I write this, this is, let's say it's 2 sin 5x into cos 5x as 1. So we can enclose them in a bracket, and the remaining part, which is, I wrote this 2 first, then sin x, and then this cos x. So check here. This is 2 sin a, cos a, sin 2a. I have copied this 5x. This is 5x. 5x. Now consider this to be a, right? Considering this to be a, if I apply, this is sin 2a, sin a into cos a, right? This is 2 sin a into cos a is sin 2a. That means twice of 5x. So if I see, this is twice of 5x, which is 10x. So this will be sin 10x. That multiplied by, considering this to be a, right? So we can say it is 2 times sin 2 times a, which is 2 times x, that is 2x. And we can say this is what is equal to the RHS. Now for the second part, we are going to do the same thing. Similar way, we can do the second part. So in the second part, we have this LHS as cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. Now, first of all, I'll apply this identity of a plus b into a minus b, that is a plus b being this a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Once again, a is this minus cos 6x. Now, we are going to apply cos c plus cos d in the first case, which is 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is 2x plus 6x, 8x, 8x by 2 is 4x, into sin c minus d. So this is 2x minus 6x is 4x, right? That's minus 4x by 2, which is equal to minus 2x. But then you have to remember that cos minus theta is cos theta. That's why instead of writing cos minus 2x, we'll be writing cos x, cos 2x. right? So once again, 2x minus 4x, 6x is minus 4x. Minus 4x over 2 is minus 2x. But cos minus 2x is cos 2x only. And that is the reason we did not write minus 2x. Instead, we wrote cos 2x. Now we are going to apply the same thing over here in the next part. I can see that we are going to apply cos c minus cos d. So this is going to be, there is a minus sign here, right? Minus 2 sine c plus d. So that is this plus this, which is 8x by 2, which is 4x into sine c minus d, that is sine c minus d, that is minus 4x by 2, which is minus 2x. Now figure out that we should know that sine minus 2x is sine 2x, right? Well, sorry, minus sine 2x. Once again, the identity, if I write the general one, it is sine minus theta is minus sine theta. Now, keeping in mind this, we say that if I take this minus outside, it will become plus. And that is the reason I can write this as positive instead. You need to show in 2 steps in the exam. I'm doing directly. Now, same as the previous part, we can see the RHS is obtained by applying this identity of sine 2a. So we need first sine, say 8x. I can see this is 2 cos 4x. And then we have sine 4x. Now, enclosing them, first I can see this is 2, writing sine 4x first into cos 4x. And the remaining, which is 2 times sine 2x into cos 2x. So as you can see, this is cos sine 2x. I should write it clearly. This is sine 2x. Now from here, we can see that applying this identity of sine 2a, it is equal to, this is equal to sine 2a. That means twice of a, which is 8x, into twice of this. So this is equal to sine 4x. And this is what I can see is the RHS.